Hello YouTube, the Development Winners here, and wow, this has been a long time since I've done a video like this of Program.OS. Yes, I've skipped doing my normal text over screen recordings. I'm finally talking to you about Program.OS and introducing Program.OS Beta 7.0, the official release and the final beta. Yes, Program.OS has now finished its alpha and beta stages. It is ready to be released. The next update will be the final release, and that will be updated from there, kind of like how Windows 10 is going to be. It's their final version of Windows, they'll just patch it and stuff. Program.OS 7.0. Now yes, if you remember, I'll probably edit it in. If you remember when I did the very first version of Program.OS, like Alpha 0, I did a video just like this when I was explaining it. So instead of just doing text over screen recording, this time we're going to actually introduce it properly. This is called Program.OS version 0.0. This is not an ISO file, not a virtual machine, not a hard drive, not a real thing. This is a program designed in Microsoft Visual Basic. It's not even PowerPoint either. It's designed in Microsoft Visual Basic with real codes. Look, I'll show you. Now, why does this always come up? Stop. God, it's a pain coming up there. Every time I seem to record. Right, so let's get into it. So, this is it. It says beta in the top, Program.OS copyright me, icons and symbols provided by .NET Bar. So, Program.OS welcomes you to 7.0 beta. Click Configure Program.OS to begin setup. You click it, please fill out the username and password of the administrator. Unfortunately, yes, I'm so sorry, but once again, multiple users have had to be cut still again, which we'll explain when we get to it. You can see we've got this like progress indicator here, so I'll set this up now and just simply click. Let's make sure I'm doing this correctly. Click next. Please now choose a default theme for Program.OS. This only applies to the logon screen. The desktop has to be changed upon login. Change color. It's whatever you want. Make sure you can see the fonts, so whites and blacks and a few reds, but there's only really white, I think, let's say, on the logon screen. Click next, you can see it changes. So please now take the time and caution to configure Program.OS to how you would like it to run. All these have been disabled. The only thing you can enable is yes, Alpha Program Store. Please take caution. If you make a mistake in the configuration, you'll have to change it using Command Box. This can only be done on the administrator account unless this would have been checked. So let's enable the Alpha Program Store and I'll explain it as we go. Next, Program.OS is ready to begin setup. Click Begin Setup to start. Do not interrupt during setup. This is a lot more of a quicker, let's say, install. It literally just goes through this one progress. These are the new icons and stuff, part of .NET Bar, which is a fantastic plugin for Visual Basic, or Visual Studio I should say. So finishing off, and this is a new logon screen, so you can't change your username because you've only got one user. Simply type in your password, make a mistake, incorrect username and password, and let me now introduce the brand new login sounds. Here we go. And this is a new desktop. Yes, it's a bit bland, I know, but yes, that was a new official logon sound. You can right click still, change your desktop background. It does apply straight away the moment you change it, see, like that. That would be nice. So, here's all your programs. You may notice the scoreboard doesn't have one of these labels on it. We'll get to that in a minute. Here are your power options. Turn off, log off, restart. It does not lock, sorry, I'll have to, you'll just have to ignore that. Locking I have removed temporarily. I could change that, I might do that. So, browser, all programs, before I actually open them, have had a completely revamped look. They, in my own opinion, they look fantastic. They look so much better now that they've got all these brand new icons provided by .NET Bar. So here's browser, look how much better this looks now. You've got all your fantastic icons here, you can still minimize, you can still close it and stuff like that. Picture viewer has had an update, see, look at all this. You can open picture. Okay. center image, stretch image, zoom image, normal image, auto size. Got all your image options now. Background color, you can change it. Open a bit of a smaller one. Okay, like that. So you can see, copyright Disney, so I don't get in trouble for copyright there. Player, it's been fixed, just about. Resume is what you have to click, so... okay, pause, resume. Pause, resume. If you click pause and play, it starts from the beginning and stop in the middle. You can go previous, next, fast forward, rewind, and resume. Yes, this was my Windows XP End support video ages ago. So finally, player is now being fixed. Writer pad, look at this fantastic interface now. Font color, font, background color, the same. Open, new text document, save. No, nothing changes, yes. Now, here's a cool feature, you close it, nothing happens. Type in some text, would you like to save? You say yes, and there you go. You've got the option to save a .txt file, and there we go. Settings, this is a new interface. View PC info, only basic information for now. Basic to advanced mode requires your password. Type it in. Now this is why scoreboard is not enabled, but I'll go to that. Now you can check for updates. This uses a website, as you can see here, but it's not a functioning web browser. It just uses a web browser to show the updates which will be changed. Clever idea. Now this, right, I'm so sorry again, but multiple users have been cancelled due to problems and unknown code, meaning I don't know how to. I ran into several errors, so you may still look at how the interface would look, but it is not functional, so sorry about this. It will be fixed in the final version, which is the next release, hopefully. You can change the admin's password, but you'll add and remove users here. The problems I ran into is if you click minus, how do I change that? How do I take away a value? If anyone knows, please write in the comment below a code that allows me, so when you add a user, it can +1 to that. When you click minus, it takes away 1 from that. If anyone knows how to do that, please tell me in the description below. This is where you change your password. Password hint, possible new feature to come. Change desktop background, you've seen that. Now, you would be able to do these now. Look, you can turn on or off programs. Let's do it like that. So now, if we close this, you can see browser doesn't work, picture viewer does, player doesn't, scoreboard does. This is a new scoreboard. Change score. Like that. Close. Reset game. Like that. Just works as simple as that. See, and you can pretty much disable items and just re-enable them, and it saves that as well. Simple as that, like I said. More, this is where you access all your programs. Extra programs will go here, which is where the Alpha Program Store comes in. The Alpha Program Store is currently empty. To submit a program to be added, click the link below. Yes, you can submit your own Visual Basic program, or in fact it has to be written in Visual Studio in order for me to add it, and then I will add it. The stuff is on the website, so let's just go to it might as well. Okay, so you submit it, so you submit a program, and if I like it or it goes with the rules and stuff, I will add it and people can download it. And if you want to include your YouTube channel, your username, stuff about you, I will add it in the description and I'll give you the full credit, and they'll be added here and people can install them and they will be placed here. Now, I can see you're all probably looking at, what is this? Command box is finally in. There are only 2 commands, see manual on how to, click the question mark button in the top corner. These will be the only commands for now. This is experimental and might not work. Look, we've even got a blinking indicator. You click the question mark and here are the commands. Now, there's only one command that uses true and false. The other is also is a lot more complicated, but just copy it, simple. Copy exactly as shown, it is not case sensitive. So let's disable the Alpha Program Store. Alpha Program Store, the ProgOS is now disabled, and you can see you can't click it. Okay, we'll just oh, that's, yeah, I had to change the link, sorry, for the ProgOS 6.0. I did not realize the link was dead, or the installer didn't work. It's now enabled, and you can see it's fully functional, and you can open it. This is how you reset it. program-os_settings.access.reset_all settings.reset equals yes. ProgOS is now reset, ProgOS will now close. And it's as simple as that, and you reopen it, and there you have it. So, that was ProgOS Beta 7.0. Please go ahead and download it. If you liked it, please comment, like, and subscribe, and also please share this. I would like a lot more people to know about it, and I want more developers involved in making programs for the Alpha Program Store, and I'd also like some assistance in ProgOS as well. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching once again. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So, goodbye for now.